Hi everyone, welcome to day 4 of my 30 strokes challenge. Today I'm painting on toned paper because I wanted to see how well colors would pop, and so I'm using a clear gesso. Clear gesso is pretty cool because you can actually see the surface that you painted it on, and you can end up doing a lot of cool stuff with it. Compared to the white gesso that I used on my previous paintings, this one is very grainy. It almost feels like sanded paper, so the kind of paper that you might use for dry pastels or colored pencils. So I was wondering if it would be a little different to work on that, but really, since my paint is very creamy and I try to put lots of it on my brushes so that I can add layers on top of layers without blending the colors, I didn't really feel the scratchiness of the surface. That said, I'm wondering if it's very good for my brushes. So I thought that painting a lemon today would be nice and would really pop on the toned paper, and it did, but I was not really happy with this painting. And it's because I didn't really mix my paint properly. I think that my shadows are really bad. I should have spent more time thinking about the right colors to mix. So that's a nice lesson learned, and I will be painting another lemon at some point to try and redeem myself. Thank you very much everyone for stopping by again today. I'll see you tomorrow with day 5 of my challenge. Have a wonderful day everyone. Bye bye.